If your BMW is acting sluggish, it's kind of slow, the throttle response isn't really there, the transmission isn't shifting as it used to, this is the simple way on how to fix it. It's super simple. Check it out. It works on a lot of BMWs. So here we have a 2006 650i. It works on a lot of the models. It doesn't hurt to try. So what we're going to do is one simple procedure. If you have the other key that you turn, go ahead and put it in there and turn it to the on position. Do not turn on the ignition. In this case, I got a key fob, so I got to put it on the on position. As you can see, the lights are on now. There we go. We heard the little button. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the acceleration button down for 1 minute, one whole minute. Okay, so just keep waiting for a whole minute. After you're doing it for a whole minute, what you're going to do is you're going to let go of the acceleration button. Let go of the gas pedal, but keep the car on. Okay, keep the car on. So we're gonna do it for a whole minute. In some cars it'll work with 45 seconds, but I just like to go for a whole minute just to be sure. You know what I'm saying? Just to be safe. So my foot is still on the acceleration button, still there. So we're gonna let go, and then you're gonna turn off your car. See how it turned off? You're gonna let it sit there for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. When it's about to reach 2 minutes, you're gonna hear a little sound. You're gonna hear like a little reset from the computer. After you hear that, after the 2 minutes pass by and you hear that sound, then you're gonna come and you're going to turn the car on however you like it. And now you're just gonna drive the car however you like it. If you like to drive slow on the streets, smooth, then drive slow and smooth on the streets, okay? It's gonna take around 20 minutes for your computer to program the way you like it. So this is your chance to program your transmission on how you like to drive. So if you like to drive aggressively, go ahead and start driving aggressively, push down on the acceleration, get your throttle response up, and your transmission is gonna be reading, and your throttle body is gonna be reading how you drive, okay? So that's exactly how you program your transmission or your throttle body to the way that you like it. There you have it, guys. Now drive your car, and it should feel way better.